Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the KVM Pro and the source machines. This wakes the hardware and prevents detection delays. Once done, connect the console first, monitor, keyboard, mouse, so the KVM initializes with a local session. Make sure to match each video and USB cable to the labeled KVM port. That ensures hotkey mappings align. Connect power last to avoid voltage spikes, and listen for the KVM beep. It confirms the initial handshake and basic firmware boot. Once the physical links are active, access the KVM interface via OSD or the web GUI. You'll map each port to a friendly name so you know which machine you switch to. Configure video timing and resolution to match your monitor. This prevents blank screens when switching. Make sure USB emulation matches OS expectations, set to keyboard/mouse or pass-through for specialized devices. If firmware updates appear, schedule them now and export your config so you can restore quickly if needed. You finish by systematically switching to each port, verifying keyboard, mouse, video, and audio function. Do this both with hotkeys and the OSD so you confirm both methods work. Once validated, note any peripherals that require direct pass-through and set the USB mode accordingly. This prevents device dropouts. If something fails, reboot the KVM and the affected host. Then recheck cables and firmware versions. Often a mismatched resolution or old firmware blocks proper handoff, and replacing a faulty cable fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.